Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to send photos in TikTok messages. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. To let you know, you cannot send direct photo messages in TikTok. For that, you either have to make a video with the photo which you want to send to that person and send the video, as there is no current feature available on sending picture in TikTok messages. So that you need to tap on the create icon on bottom of your screen. Here you need to record a video, as I'm going to record about 4 to 5 seconds of video. Done, you need to tap on the effects icon on bottom of the left corner. Here at the third column of the third row, you will see the image icon. You tap on it. Now here you tap on the plus icon. Now you go in for choosing any of the picture that you want to send as a message to. As you can see, the picture has been added. Now to complete this, you need to record a few seconds of video. Now you tap on the tick mark. This is how the complete video will look like. Now you tap on next. Now here you can describe your video and use the hashtags. Then you tap on post. As you can see, the video has been posted in my profile. Now you tap and open the video. To share this as a message, you tap on 3-dotted line on right side of your screen. Here you can go in for sending anyone that you want to. Tap and send. Now go back to your inbox. Then you tap on the paper plane icon on top right of your screen. There you will see the video message with the picture has been sent. This is the only way on how you can send a picture message in TikTok. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to send photos in TikTok messages. Thank you.